Hello guys, trust you are doing well. Thank you once again for your support. I am very much grateful. Please, if you are new on this channel, I welcome you to Powerlearn Science and Maths TV. On this channel, I solve mind-boggling mathematics, chemistry and physics related problems. And so if this falls within your context, the context of your interest, I'll be very glad if you subscribe to this channel. That is after watching this video. Okay, in this video we are to solve for the value of a and b in the problem into bracket a plus 2 root 2 bracket close multiplying 3 minus root 2, it's equal to 5 plus b root 2. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to present two different approaches which must lead to the same values of a and b. And so, but before that, as a coacher on the channel, I'll be very glad if you pause the video and try your hands on this, after which you can compare your solution to that of mine. So let's get into it. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to expand the left hand side. After expansion, then I'm going to compare the left hand side to right hand side, and by that I can infer the values of a and b. Actually, this problem is under equality of surds. So let's go ahead and expand. So if we are to expand, we are going to get a into bracket 3 minus root 2 plus 2 root 2 is going to multiply 3 minus root 2, and this is equal to 5 plus b root 2. So if we expand, we are going to get 3a minus a root 2 plus 6 root 2 minus, we are going to get 2 times 2. Remember, this 2 multiplies the coefficient of that, so that will be 2 times 1, so that will give us 2. Then square root of 2 multiply another square root of 2, that will give us 2, and this is equal to 5 plus b root 2. So what we are going to do is that this gives 3a minus a root 2 plus 6 root 2 minus 4, and this is going to give us 5 plus b root 2. So what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to group all sets to one side. I'm just going to group like them, so sets and then non-sets. So this is not a set, this does not carry a set, so this is going to give us 3a minus 4. Then we have set here and another set there, so we can factorize root 2 out. So factorizing root 2 out, we are going to get plus, into bracket 6 minus a, all this root 2, and this is equal to 5 plus b root 2. So if we take a look at what we have here, we can say that this is not a set, this is also not a set, this carries set, this carries set. So we can say that 3a, by comparison, we can say that 3a minus 4 is equal to 5. And so 3a is going to give us 5 plus 4. So 3a will give us 9. And so a will give us 9 on 3, which is 3. So a is equal to 3. Then also, we can say that 6 minus a is equal to b, because b is attached to root 2 and 6 minus a is also attached to root 2. So going by that, we can see that b is equal to 6 minus the value of a is 3, and so this gives us 3. So what it means is that a is equal to 3 and b is also equal to 3. Now in the second approach, what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to eliminate the set. I'm just going to eliminate what we have here, so that the a plus 2 root 2 can remain. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to divide both sides by 3 minus root 2. And this leaves us with a plus 2 root 2. And this is equal to 5 plus b root 2 divided by 3 minus root 2. So what I'm going to do here is that I have my a plus 2 root 2 is equal to, now I'm going to multiply the numerator and the denominator of this with the conjugate of the denominator. So this is going to give me 5 plus b root 2 divided by 3 minus root 2 times 3 plus root 2, all divided by 3 plus root 2. So we have a plus 2 root 2 being equal to, so in expanding, I'm going to have 5 multiplying 3 plus root 2, then b root 2 multiplying 3 plus root 2. All these divided by, now if we are going to multiply this, you realize that it is going to be difference of 2 squared, because we have a minus b going to multiply a plus b. So this represents difference of 2 squared, which is a squared minus b squared. So because the multiplication of these two, the denominator, gives us difference of 2 squared, I can write 3 squared minus into bracket square root squared. So we have a plus 2 root 2 is equal to, this will give 15 plus 5 root 2, plus we have 3b root 2, plus the b will multiply the coefficient and we'll get b, and the root 2 multiply that will get 2. So this will give us 2b. All these divided by 9 minus 2. So that will give us 7. So 9 minus 2, that will give us 7. So we have a plus 2 root 2 is equal to, now once again let's group all non-set to one side and set to one side. So this will give us 15 plus 2b plus, now we are going to factor root 2 out. So this will give us 5 plus 3b, all this root 2, all this divided by 7. Now if we have something like this, we can say that a plus 2b is a plus 2 root 2 is equal to 15 plus 2b over 7 plus 5 plus 3b root 2 on 7. So going by that, you realize that this carries no set and a also carries no set. So we can say that 15 plus 2b all on 7 is equal to A. And so let's group like terms. So this will give us 15 plus 2b is equal to 7a. So meaning that we are going to get 15 equals 7a minus 2b. So let's note this as equation 1. Then also we can see that this whole thing carries a set. So we can say that we can say that 5 plus 2b all on 7 is equal to 2. It's equal to 2. Sorry, it's 5 plus 3b. So 5 plus 3b all on 7 is equal to 2. Yeah, so we can just make b the subject. So 5 plus 3b is going to give us 14. And so 3b is going to give us 14 minus 5. So 3b is equal to 9, and therefore b is equal to 3. Now we are going to substitute b is equal to 3 into equation 1. So this will give us 15 is equal to 7a minus 2 times 3 will give us 6. So we can see that 7a is equal to 15 plus 6 is 21, and hence a is equal to 3. So by this we've gotten a is equal to 3, b is equal to 3. These are the same values we got for the first approach. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know what you think of this approach in the comment section. I will be very glad if you also share another way by which you can solve this. But before I end, I would like to also know that instead of dividing, another way by which you can solve this is that instead of dividing both sides by 3 minus root 2, you can divide both sides by a plus 2 root 2. So please do that and let me know that in the comment section. Thank you once again. Bye bye.